Welcome to the ClearPath MCP IDE for Eclipse demonstration video. In this video, you will be introduced to the new features of ClearPath MCP IDE for Eclipse Phase 16.0 release. So, let's get started and understand the new features of ClearPath MCP IDE for Eclipse. The ClearPath MCP IDE for Eclipse is fully qualified for a 64-bit version of Windows operating system with 64-bit version of Java. With this, the 64-bit Windows operating system removes any restriction of maximum RAM and allows ClearPath MCP IDE for Eclipse to utilize the available in-memory space in the system. Thus, using the increased in-memory space, the ClearPath MCP IDE for Eclipse is more stable, and its performance is faster. In this release of ClearPath MCP IDE for Eclipse, 2 new buttons, Add and Remove All, are added in the new MCP project and Updating MCP project dialog boxes. These buttons enable you to move symbol files. Let's create a new MCP project to understand this feature. From the File menu, select New, and then click MCP Project. In the new MCP Project dialog box, in the Project Name field, type the name of the project. And, to select a MCP work file, click the Browse icon. In the Select Directory dialog box, select the work file, and click Open. Then click Next. The Add Symbols screen appears. Notice the Add All button and Remove All button. Using these buttons, you can add or remove all the symbol files from work file contents to project contents, or vice versa, with one click. When completed, click Finish. Additionally, you can use the Add All button and Remove All button when you are updating MCP projects. For example, let's select the new project. And, on the toolbar, click the Update Project Contents from Work File icon. In the Updating MCP Project dialog box, you can use the Remove All or Add All buttons to move the symbol files on either sides. When completed, click Finish. Note, the Add All button and Remove All button can only move symbol files. You cannot add or remove folders. The file naming convention in ClearPath MCP IDE for Eclipse does not support 9 characters when naming a symbol or a patch file. These 9 characters are // question mark, quotes, less than, greater than, and pipe. Let's create and name a symbol and patch file to understand the feature. Right-click the work file, select New, and then click MCP Element. In the new MCP symbol dialog box, in the element name field, let's type any of the 9 characters that are not supported as per the file naming convention. Notice that an error message is displayed. Now, let's type a valid name and close this dialog box. Similarly, when creating a patch file, in the patch name field, when you type any of the 9 characters, the characters do not appear in the field. This indicates that the character is not supported or invalid. Note, these 9 characters are also not supported or considered as illegal characters when naming other files such as object files, XREF files, and error files. The Save Merged Symbol Files feature allows you to save the merged contents of a patch and a symbol file as a new symbol file. Let's try this feature. Right-click a symbol file, select MCP, and then click Open as Patch. The Open Patch and Symbol Files dialog box appears. Here, you can browse and select a symbol file. Then, click OK. the patch file opens in the MCP editor. Notice that some lines are marked with asterisk, and some are not. The lines marked with an asterisk are the patch file content, while the other lines are symbol file content. You can now save this patch file with the merged contents as a new symbol file. From the File menu, select MCP Save As, and then click Merge Symbol. In the Select Project to open the file dialog box, choose the project name from the drop-down list to save the merged symbol file. And click OK. In the Save As dialog box, type a name for the new merged symbol file. And click Save. The merged symbol file is saved. Then, in the Information dialog box, click OK to open the merged symbol file. The merged symbol file opens in the MCP editor. The Auto Synchronization feature synchronizes the line selection of the sequence number, text area, and mark ID area in the editor. To demonstrate this feature, in the MCP editor, let's select a sequence number and drag. Notice that the corresponding code lines in the text area and mark ID area are also selected and highlighted. The MCP Last Edit Location feature takes you to the last edited line of a file that you were working on. Let's see an example. Let's open a file and edit this line. Now, let's save and close the file. Then, from the Navigate menu, select MCP Last Edit Location. Alternatively, you can click the MCP Last Edit Location icon on the toolbar. Notice that MCP Eclipse has opened the edited file, and the cursor blinks at the last edited location. Note, the MCP Last Edit Location feature keeps track of only one edited location. So, if you edit multiple lines in a file and click MCP Last Edit Location multiple times, the cursor will not jump beyond the last edited line. And the final feature of ClearPath MCP IDE for Eclipse for this release is the LogAnalyzer Utility. From the Unisys menu, you can access the LogAnalyzer Utility. This utility helps you to extract selective data from the SumLog file for an MCP host. You can extract the log data in two ways: typing the log command, or selecting from the user interface. First, from the host drop-down list, select the MCP host. By default, type the log command is already selected. Now, in the log command text box, type the command. Then, click Execute to run the command. The log details are displayed in the console window. Now, if you want to extract data from the user interface, then go to LogAnalyzer Utility. Select the host. Then select the Select from the UI option. Next, you can extract log records from a range of either task mix or job session numbers. Let's select task mix. Then, type the starting and ending values of the range in the From and To fields. And click Execute. Again, the log details for the specified range are displayed in the console window. Note, if you have only one value for either task mix or job session, then type the value only in the From field. The LogAnalyzer Utility also allows you to save the log records. To save the log records, select the Save Results Here option. Note, you must select the Save Results Here option before you click Execute. Then, click the Browse Location button to select the location to save the log records. In the Select Directory dialog box, you can choose to save the log records on the local host or the MCP host location. After selecting the location, click Open. Then, click Execute. The log records are saved in text format. This completes the new features demonstration video of the ClearPath MCP IDE for Eclipse Phase 16.0 release. For more information on ClearPath MCP IDE for Eclipse, please contact your Unisys representative.